Brown butter is a nutty and toasty version of clarified butter that has a deeper, richer, and more intense flavor than regular melted or clarified butter. In short, it is butter that is on another level. To make brown butter, start by heating 250 grams or about 9 ounces of unsalted butter in a wide, heavy bottom pan over medium heat. Continually whisk to evenly distribute the heat as the butter melts and separates into butterfat, milk solids, and water. When it reaches 100 degrees Celsius or 212 degrees Fahrenheit, the melted butter will start to boil and bubble vigorously as the water evaporates. When all the water has evaporated, the temperature of the remaining butterfat and milk solids will climb and start to toast the milk solids. This is when it starts to brown and develop the nutty aroma. When it reaches the desired level of brownness, remove it from the heat and immediately transfer it into a cold, heat-proof container. In my case, I'm transferring it into a smaller pot. Discard the toasted milk solids at the bottom of the pan. Allow the brown butter to cool to about 50 degrees Celsius or 120 degrees Fahrenheit. If you don't have a thermometer, you can test it by touching it, and it should be warm but not hot. All you need is a microwave-safe bowl and a balloon whisk. Put 4 egg yolks into the bowl, add 30 milliliters or 1 ounce of white wine vinegar, 2 teaspoons of Dijon Mustard, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and a pinch of Cayenne Pepper. Whisk vigorously until all the ingredients are well mixed and the mixture starts to foam slightly. Put the bowl into the microwave and heat for about 8 to 10 seconds. The idea is to heat the mixture enough that the eggs barely start to cook, but before the eggs coagulate and firm up. Remove the bowl from the microwave and immediately whisk vigorously. Put the bowl back into the microwave and repeat the process a few more times. After the second or third time, you'll start to see the sides of the mixture starting to coagulate slightly when you remove it from the microwave. This is perfectly fine as the sabayon is forming. Just keep whisking vigorously to evenly distribute the heat and homogenize the sabayon. When you get to about the 5th or 6th time, the sabayon will start to thicken. Repeat a few more times until the sabayon is thick enough that it sticks to the top of the bowl for 1 or 2 seconds when you invert it. Rest the bowl on a damp kitchen cloth or on a non-slip mat to help hold the bowl in place while you whisk in the brown butter. Start by adding only a small bit of brown butter and whisk vigorously. Continue adding butter slowly while you whisk continuously. As the sauce begins to take form, you can increase the speed of adding butter. If the sauce gets too thick, add some warm water to dilute it. Do not add cold water as that will cause your sauce to split. When all the butter has been emulsified, whisk in 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. If you're not using it right away, you can keep it warm in the preheated thermos for a couple of hours. Check out this video over here for a simple hack that will help you poach perfect eggs every time. Till next time folks, cheers.